Today we're going to be tiling around the toilet. So the first thing we did, we tiled up to the toilet, and we're letting it dry overnight because you're going to be working here. You don't want to slip on the tile and mess up your pattern. Next thing you'll do is you take the top off. Next you're going to turn off the water, turning it to the right. Flush the toilet, make sure everything goes down in the toilet and it doesn't refill up in here because the water's off. It shouldn't. Tools you're going to need: screwdriver, 7/16 and a 5/8. You're going to take a screwdriver, pop that off. Use a 7/16 to get this bolt off. There's also one on the other side. Use 5/8 to loosen this. You want to put a towel down to get any residual water, and then put some needle nose pliers under there because of the wax. Okay, so sometimes it happens. It's rusted on there. I had to take a grinder and grind the bolt off. Have your 4-year-old hold the camera.
I will sew your face up. Now I think.
So take your wood chisel and hammer and pick up any vinyl you got left. Put the towel in there to stop any debris from going down. We laid our tile pattern as it's been going, and then we took the piece and we just basically laid it against there and just got a rough estimate. And you're gonna take your grinder and cut around that. So what you're gonna do is clean up, take a putty knife, and just scrape up all the old wax ring. We got our screws here because if you remember, I had to use a grinder to grind one of the nuts off. You take your turn it, slide it in, and then lock it into place by turning it again.
Where it doesn't pull it out.
Where it doesn't pull out. Toilet on an old towel. Make sure this is clean. That's the bottom of the toilet. Everything's clean. Just take an old towel and, or actually right on there. Yeah, right on there. Make sure it's in the middle.
On there.
Yeah, you're good. So right, try to line up the holes. There it is. This side now. Right there. Got it. Make sure that side's back. Both sides are in there, as we can see. So you're just gonna wiggle it into place and maybe sit on it. Replace it.
This.
Yeah.
Put you a flex on there.
Flex one, yeah, better one, more updated. The last step, tighten the nut on there, and then you'll just break off the excess. Put your caps on. You're good to go. Take a poop.